Okay, I'm here today to clean up the garden. It's pretty nice out today. It's a little chilly. I got a few piles where I started cleaning up. So I'm gonna get those out of my way. I got a few things to plant. Then the next few days I'll be working on the rest of pulling this stuff out. My apple trees are coming in good. This is a peach tree. It's looking good. I think I might need to take that off, I think I'm supposed to cut from the bottom there. I'll have to double check that. Got some thyme here coming back. Got some onions coming back. We got some weeds coming back. Then I got my marshmallow plant coming back. This will be the second year and I should be able to harvest some roots. I gotta get my cutters, I forgot. I'm gonna go just pull it off. Yeah, so it's kind of looking good. What else we got here? I have some parsley. This is the second spot where parsley came up. Right here. I gotta figure out what this weed is. I'm gonna pull that. So I started planting my, what is it? Brussels sprouts. I got 3 Brussels sprouts here in the center. That's a weed right there, but it's supposed to have nice flowers on it, so I'm gonna leave it for the bees. And I've got some spring rapini here. I gotta plant the rest over there. And then I have some kohlrabi. I'll probably intermix in here because since these grow above the ground, I can put in the kohlrabi since they're under the ground. And get double there. This is curly dock. Have you ever eaten curly dock? It's medicinal. You can use it to cooking with. I haven't tried it yet. This came back from last year. There's some more tomato or onions. They're going to flower soon. There's one there. And there's one there. There's some more here, but I don't know if there's flowers on those yet. Then I have all these peppers to pull out. And I got my bags I need to amend. I'm gonna put cucumbers in there this year. Last year I did tomatoes. This year I did peppers on over there and right here. It was like a forest. I could barely even get through. I couldn't actually get through a few times. I had to go part of the way and go around. Another pile. That'll be ready. I think that's a weed. There's a weed. I planted some green onions. Those are from the grocery. I just cut off the bottoms and stuck them in some dirt till they finished rooting and stuck them out here. And this is Napa cabbage. So I have a few on this side and a couple on the other side. There's more onions over there. I usually have some lettuce pop up here. I think this is what this might be, lettuce. I'm not sure yet. But it usually reseeds itself, comes back up here. I got a Granny Smith tree here. It's looking good. So I'm really happy with my trees. Out of 6, I think 2 aren't gonna make it, but they have a year warranty. So I am going to message them. And after I find out how it goes, then I will let you know who I ordered from and how it went. There's probably some flower. I had some flowers here. I don't remember what they were. I'd never grown them before. Evening primrose, maybe? I think that's what it was, evening primrose. Now I don't know if that's what's coming back up. I'll have to check. But we got some nice dandelion there. That's edible. And I don't use chemicals in my garden, so I can pull the leaves, leave the flowers for the bees. And then I can save the seed and grow some in a designated area and then get the root and everything. Because it's a great tea. I actually drink dandelion tea, dandelion root tea. I haven't tried the leaves yet. That's where we're at so far. Oh, this is my, I think I might have, did I show this already? This is my, oh, what did I plant in here? Oh, some more Napa cabbage. I got a bunch. I guess I'm gonna make a lot of, oh, I can't remember what it's called. Some kimchi and that other stuff that you ferment. And I threw some carrot seeds in here, all through here, some back over there, and some more down in through there. Again, since carrots are root vegetables, I planted them intermixed with the ones that grow above the ground. I put some other stuff in here too. What did I put else? Put down here. Maybe broccoli. Yeah, I got some broccoli here. And then I planted some beet seeds in here. And along the fence line, I did some sugar snap peas. I've never grown peas before. So, oh, and I have this coming back, which that's come back every year. Sage. And over here is another parsley. I think it's like, I might have one more spot, but these two came back, so I was really surprised. This is a kiwi tree. I'm gonna have to prune it back, apparently. And when I bought it, I didn't know I needed two. So I haven't gotten a kiwi yet. So I gotta figure out what to do, because I don't know if I have a male or a female. I don't know if there's a way to tell if it's a male or female, but you're supposed to need one of each, so I gotta figure that out. Oh, I have some grapes over there too. Oh, the grapes are, let's see if I can turn you slowly. I have some grapes coming. Well, they're getting leaves on them anyway. I haven't pruned this yet. I probably should. Probably should cut that off. I'm only supposed to keep like a couple. I got this one going this way. This one started going this way, but then these offshoots went this way. So I don't know. I think I can still cut it. This one just has one here, and then this shoot off here. So I don't know. I haven't done a lot with it. I did transplant them from another spot, and they did fine. I did follow a guy's directions. I don't remember who. It was a couple years ago. Basically, we just chopped it down here and took the roots out and just transplanted it. So I was happy about that. I did get little grapes, a few last year or something, but I don't know. I guess the birds got them because they never finished. Like, they weren't finished growing and then they were gone. So I'm guessing the birds got them. Or the squirrels. So I think that's it for now. I still have to find a tripod for my phone. I might just have to buy one. I think the one I had wasn't that great anyway. It was like something like that free or something. So I think I'll do that. So then, you know, you can plant with me. Oh, and I do have this. This is, I forget what this is called. This came back. I didn't know it would. Savory, maybe? It might be savory. So I got a lot of weeding and stuff to pick up. There's some loofahs I had. That was a volunteer. I hadn't grown loofahs for a couple years and it just popped up. So that's where we're at for now. Oh, I can show you the other trees. Here's the other 3 trees I have. Fruit trees. I don't think, see, this one's fine. But this one and this one obviously aren't gonna make it. I don't know, we'll wait and see if these are gonna bud. I mean, they're there, but I don't know if those are just old ones. Because I had another one that kind of looked like that, and then it ended up growing. But I'm not sure. I don't really want to break the swit. I mean, it's not cracking. So I don't know, maybe it's just slower to come back. We'll see. I have till June. Oh, this is actually a cherry tree. This is sweet cherry dwarf. This one might be cherry too. I had 2 cherry. Yeah, this one's a big cherry. And this is Chinoga strawberry apple, semi-dwarf. So hopefully I get some apples this year. I do need to pull it out because the deers are gonna get it. I have to see what I need to prune on it too. But super happy. That was my pepper forest. All right then. So let's see. Guess we'll see you again later.